So bro, we were changing a faucet in this building in Manhattan. As we were about to leave for the next job, the super said that there's an emergency that needs our attention. Apparently a speedy valve started leaking out of nowhere in a different apartment. I go to check it out and see that the valve stem was broken and water was spewing out of one of the angle stops. At first I wanted to replace just the stem, but the one we had was incompatible with this speedy, so the only other option was to replace the whole valve. Because space was limited to solder new valves, I decided to replace them with compression angle stops. Cutting the copper pipes was out of the question because they were too short, so I ended up unsweating the old speedies to have enough pipe for the new valves. When it was time to get paid, the homeowner was surprised with the price I gave her. She said she expected it to be cheaper since we were already in the building when the leak started. I told the brosket that that's irrelevant and it doesn't make this leak any less of an emergency. If anything, us being there and getting it fixed so quick helped reduce the damage that the leak could have caused if we were far, so that alone should be appreciated financially because thank yous are not a currency yet, miss. I can't cash them out.